This Yamaha 5.1-channel system delivers convincing surround sound that makes movies and games feel far more immersive than a television's built-in speakers ever could. The included receiver supports modern video standards like 4K and high dynamic range, so you can route all of your streaming boxes and consoles through it without sacrificing picture quality. Built-in Bluetooth makes it easy to send music from a smartphone or tablet, turning the system into a flexible hub for both casual listening and serious home theater use. Yamaha's room calibration technology automatically adjusts levels and timing for your specific space, so the speakers sound balanced even in challenging rooms. The in-ceiling speakers are moisture-resistant and use quality drivers and crossovers, which helps them deliver clear, natural sound in kitchens, bathrooms, or open-plan living areas. Thoughtful touches like a paintable magnetic grille and included long-run speaker wire make installation cleaner and simpler for do-it-yourself users.